Sure. My name is Don. I represent Agara. Agara is a autonomous voice conversation engine. Our whole objective is apply machine learning and deep learning to voice conversations with the objective of driving better customer experience for brands, make conversations frictionless between brands and their consumers, and in the process also make voice and contact center operations much more operationally efficient. What we will showcase today in the 5-minute recording that we have is an overview of the product, some background, and a demonstration of the product. So really looking forward to catching up with you all the sidelines of the event. Thank you. Hi, my name is Don. It's a pleasure to be part of Orange Fab Asia. I represent Agara. Agara is a next generation autonomous AI powered voice conversation engine. Agara applies deep learning and machine learning to voice conversations between brands and their consumers with the singular objective of improving customer experience and making operations much more efficient. Autonomous technologies today have developed to an extent that it has the power to improve these communications happening between consumers and their brands. Agara applies machine learning and deep learning to understand caller speech, recognize what exactly do they need, decide, even though it's a non-linear conversation, an appropriate action to the caller's needs, have a natural conversation with them with the objective of resolving a number of queries without having any human intervention. Let us see how Agara works with a live demonstration today. While Agara has developed several modules across various industries, today I would like to show you an insurance demonstration. In this demonstration, a customer is calling up an insurance company. Agara handles that call end-to-end, including the first level IVR experience, and then helping the customer with a claims-related query.
Thanks for calling Radiance Insurance, powered by Agara. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to know the claim status that I filed 24 hours back. Can you help me with that?
Okay, you would like to track the status of your claim. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you. Please help me with your claim number.
Fortunately, I don't have my claim number with me.
I can also pull up your claim using your social security number, driver license number, or policy number. Which of these do you have available?
Could I give you my policy number instead?
Great, so you'll be giving me your policy number. Is that correct?
Yes, I can look for it.
Thank you. Can you please help me with your policy number?
Can you hold on for a minute?
Sure, I'll hold.
Where can I find my policy number?
You should have received your policy documents in your mailing address and on your registered email address. You can find the policy number in your email.
Okay, I have my policy number here. It's 899371.
Your policy number is 899371. Is that correct?
Can you repeat that?
Sure, your policy number is 899371. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. May I have your full name, please?
The name is John Smith.
Could you help me with your date of birth?
7th December 1996.
Thank you. Okay, you had filed the claim on the 11th of November at 2:50 p.m. and the process is ongoing. Your claim will be assigned to an assessment officer shortly for further processing. Is there anything else I can help you with?
How long does it take for the claim to be processed?
It can take up to 15 working days from the day of filing to settle the claim.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
One last question. How can I change the address on my policy?
Okay, you want to update your address, is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you. I'm transferring your call to an available advisor for further assistance. Please stay on the line.
So there you saw how Agara was able to resolve the query end to end, along with a number of features that are almost near to a human conversation or a natural conversation. What Agara really helps a brand do is to resolve queries for customers in an instant manner with zero wait time. What it also means for companies is to actually reposition critical resources to make the overall operational efficiencies a notch higher. I'm really excited to be part of this program, and I look forward to connecting with you all on the sidelines of this event. Thank you, and thank you for the opportunity again.
Question?
Hello, Dan. I
Hi.
think we could. Hi, I'm Claire. So I think we could find several conversational AI solution provider in the market. You think who are your competitors? How are you gonna compete with them?
Sure. So our competitors are wide and far and wide. There are CRM companies who claim that they also have conversational AI. Our focus is more around voice. We don't do other forms of so-called conversational AI like chat, because voice is significantly different from chat. Because in chat you deal only with text, but whereas in voice, the accents, the languages, the intonations, the speed, the age of the person, all of those complexities come in. So our focus itself is a differentiator because we are not trying to do too many things, but to solve for problems that are very unique to voice. However, having said that, there are platforms that are available. For example, one of the most popular ones or known ones is like, say, Google Dialogflow. That category of competition is more like a platform which enables people to build their own bots. Again, our focus is around voice and customer care related for the moment. That's where the company is focusing on. And we come with a purpose-built solution which is complete. So the customer doesn't need to have a team of AI scientists or technology people and an army of people to actually build ASR, text-to-speech, NLP, all of these complex technologies to put together. So we are a purpose-built solution that is trained for voice, and which means that a customer can take voice bot conversation, automate voice conversations in a matter of weeks, and doesn't have to invest a lot of time and effort to actually build this out. And of course, there are patented technologies that make us better. We have benchmarked against some of the publicly available voice components. And because we are trained for customer service and phone calls per se, we also command a better accuracy and resolution rate. So these are some of the high-level differentiators that we are going to market with.
Thank you. It's very clear. Thank you.
And we have a question on the chat from audience. Can you handle Japanese language?
So Japanese is very much on our long-term plan. I want to be transparent that we are currently focusing on English in all sorts of markets that are English-speaking across accents, followed by European languages like Spanish. But our objective is to get to Japanese language, 12 to 18 months down the line.